Ние сме последната генерација која може да ги спречи климатските промени. Ние младите треба да ги преземеме работите во наши раце. Ве повикувам на климатска акција.
Young people across the world are leading the charge on global climate action. This is absolutely vital for the future of our planet and for the success of COP26 that will take place in November this year. Activism plays a vital role, and you, the youth, are key in pushing all of us to go further. Governments and regions, businesses and cities, schools and universities. I urge each and every one of you to make your voice heard, because only together can we successfully fight climate change and push all countries in the world to make the ambitious commitments we need now.